The Section 27, the document that permits the early release of deposit monies. Today, we'll delve into the early release of deposit process. It's a game changer for Victorian property transactions, but it can be somewhat risky too. Some real estate agents encourage Section 27 because it speeds up transactions and they get access to the commission early. It's crucial to understand that where there is a condition that benefits the purchaser, such as a subject to finance or subject to building clause, the purchaser can immediately object to the release of the deposit monies. Until the contract has satisfied all these types of conditions, the vendor cannot access the deposit monies. The deposit monies are any money paid prior to the settlement to secure the house. This money usually gets paid into the real estate agent's trust account to hold as a stakeholder. The deposit refers to the agreed amount the purchaser needs to pay. This is usually 10% of the purchase price. Finally, the deposit due date is the agreed date that the purchaser needs to pay the deposit monies. Be careful. If you don't pay by the due date, you have breached the contract. For properties without mortgages, the process is straightforward. A Section 27 document is signed by all vendors and presented to the purchasers for their signing. There are no mortgage particulars to satisfy, so if there are no outstanding special conditions and no caveats, once the purchasers sign and the real estate agent receives the fully signed Section 27 document, the release can occur. If there is a mortgage, patience is key. The bank's involvement can slow things down, but it's a necessary step to avoid objections to the release. For properties with mortgages, the process requires a bank supporting letter. The Section 27, together with the bank's supporting letter, is provided to the purchasers so they can review them. If the particulars are unsatisfactory, the deposit monies cannot be released. If they deem them satisfactory, the money can be released early. A purchaser's caveat is a safeguard for the buyer. It ensures a right to the property by marking the title for anyone who performs a register search statement. It's a crucial step, especially for settlements extending beyond 45 days, because it gives the purchaser more control and manages the risks of resale mishaps. By understanding Section 27 and the importance of caveats, you protect your investment. It is always best to speak with InGen Legal about navigating these waters effectively. Ready to learn more? Dive deeper into property law with us.